everyone, welcome to Coding with Shihab. Today we will discuss with you about linear search implementation using Python. So for linear search, it's not important the arrow should be sorted or unsorted. Linear search can work with both, but it's better to use linear search when it will be unsorted array and the time complexity will be big O n. For an example, now it's unsorted array. This is our array and it's unsorted, it's not organized. It's not organized in ascending order. You see, first one is 2, second one is 5, third one is 8. So it's not sorted. It's unsorted array and our target is getting 9 using linear search. So for linear search, we have to remember some most important things. First of all, the array will not be sorted. That means it's unsorted array. And we should use loop to check all the array value where we have targeted value. If we have targeted value inside the array, it will give us index number. If there will not our targeted value, then it will give us -1. So I think let's go to the implementation, then we will understand practically. We will implement linear search using Python. So I am going to open my IDE, Integrated Development Environment, to implement this algorithm. My IDE is open. So at first I want to create one class. Python class. I want to write this class name is searching algorithm. Now we will define method linear search, and we will take one array and we will take another variable for element. Then I think we can take value. No, Python syntax and Java syntax is different, but concept is same. That's why we can easily implement our concept using Python or using Java if you know syntax. Now I want to use for loop. Now I want to check if value equal to sorry, I want to check array value equal to array element equal to value, then else return -1. So I should fix this indentation. -1 we have to, and that now we can print first one. I want to define then second argument it will be 2, so it will give me it will give me the index number. So now I want to run. Okay, I understand. Define longly. Now if I want to run, it's giving me index number 3. You see, I already mentioned in my previous video, array always count from the index number 0, after that 1, after that 2, after that 3. Then what we are looking for 2 and the index number is 3. If we want to looking for 5, then index number will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Index number should be 5. I know what is the problem. I should use range. Then what will be the output we can check. And still we have to do like this way. You see, now it's giving index number 5. If we want to find out 1, then what will be the output? The output is 0. So we should define like this way. For I in range, that means for all the element from array we are defining inside the I. After that, if array I equal to value, that means at first it will check array I index number array I and it will start from 0. So it will be in the 0th position, then it will give the output, the index number. If it will in the another position, 6, so it will give me 4. So it will give me the, it will check one by one. If it will not get in the 0th position, after that it will go in the 1th position, 2th position, 3th position. It will check continuously one by one to get the targeted value. If 9 is not, we will not get 9 inside the array, so it will return -1. It will return -1 like this. So I hope you are clear how it's worked properly. This is the Python implementation about linear search algorithm. And for your understanding, I am explaining again. At first we take one function. After that we define that function name is linear search, and we take one array and we take one value, which one we will search inside our array. This value can be inside our array or not. We will check it. So for checking, at first we define one for loop. For loop, we define all array element inside I, and we should use, of course, range method. Range method will help you to check all the array elements properly with its length. After that we check one condition using if statement. If array I equal to value, then return I. That means return I means return index number. If we will not get value inside the array, then we will get return -1. So you see the output. So thank you very much. Take care. See you in my next video. Until, be happy and stay coding. Enjoy your time.